Hey everybody, welcome back to Fixing Things. Today we're in my my salon and we're on the hair side, not in the barber shop. And we're not gonna be doing, I'm gonna do haircuts, but we're gonna be fixing two salon chairs. This one here and this one here. Now these chairs are one of the top of the lines, and if you can notice here, they leak fluid. And this one don't even go up and down no more. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the hydraulics on these two chairs. Now, the top of the line barber chairs, not barber chairs, salon chairs. There's a big difference between a barber chair and a salon chair. Salon chair are junk. You pay $250 to $300 per chair from a discount place, supply house, and they don't go up no more after a couple years. And I've replaced a few of these cylinders already on a couple of these chairs. It's just one of the things you have to do when you own a salon. But now, these chairs are about 4 years old. 4 years old. I want to show you something. This chair right here is 100 years old. 100 years old. Some of you say, oh, that chair is not 100. This chair is 100 years old. There's a tag under the seat that says it's 100 years old. It doesn't say 100 years old. It just has the date it was made. It's like 1901 or something like that. This chair is bad to the bone. Has absolutely no problems in it. I replaced the upholstery on it one time, and that was it. And for 8 years, it's been working flawless for me. And that's a barber chair. 800 pounds of barber chair. You can't pick it up. You need two people to pick it up. You need a hand truck to move it. So on this episode, we're gonna fix two rinky-dink, cheap, take two. On this episode, we're gonna fix two premium quality salon chairs with new hydraulics. All right, so let's open these up for the first time.